Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. So, I am here with one more problem on indices. So, that we are solving problem number 15 today. Problem number 15 and asked in December 2009 question paper. So, December 2009 question paper, University of Mysore. The question is simplify 2 to the power of 3 whole power 2 into 4 to the power of 3 into root 4 256 into 343 divided by 7 to the power of 0 into 7 to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 4 into 49 whole power 1 by 2. So this is the question. So now you have to find the LCM value for 256 and 343 because that is the higher value and 49 as well. Clear? See, always students complain that we don't have basic mathematics and all. They always complain me that sir, we find difficulty to find LCM, like 256 is there and 343 is there, so how to do it. So for this you have to practice a simple blind method. If you know table, if you know deriving numbers, so then it will be very easy. If you don't know, then you have to follow a shortcut which I am showing here. So see, you have to find for 256. Clear? So 256, in the sense, always we start with the 2 only. So let us start with the 2. How many times if you multiply you will get 256, you have to identify. So press 2, 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 256 is, you have to give 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. Okay, for 256. Then 343 you have to find. 343. Since 3 is there, obviously it won't come in 2 tables. So 3 tables only we are doing into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we didn't got, because 729 we want 343. So it is not there from 3. 4 it is impossible. 5 is also not possible. Then 6 there might be a possible. 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4. No, even in 6 is not possible. Then we have 7. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. Understood? 343 is equal to 7 to the power 3 and 256 is equal to 2 to the power 8. Understood? This is the simple method. Within fraction of seconds you can do it. Okay. See, 343 we want. So first I am trying with 3. So 729. So it is not possible. 4 it is not possible because even number, it is a odd number 43. Then 5 is also not possible because that multiplied in 5. Then 6 there might be a possible. So I am trying with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1296. No, not possible. 7. 1, 2, 3. See, 7 to the power 3 we got 343. Understood? So this is how you have to calculate and identify the answer. Otherwise you can do the multiplication also. So sorry, LCM value also as we do. So you can do that also. Okay, fine. So I think I have made it clear to you people, so that how to use the calculator. So now let us concentrate on the solution part. So solution part is 2 to the power 3 whole power 6. So that means 3 2s are 6. So 2 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 3, that remains there, root 4 root 256. What is the converted value for 256? 2 to the power of 8 we have found. Then into 343, what is the answer? 7 to the power of 3. Clear? 7 to the power of 3. No doubt, right? So next step. 7 to the power of 0 into 7 to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 4 into 49 is there. So 49, in which table you can give the LCM? 7 only, right? Yes. So that is 49. If you take 49 LCM, 7 sevens, I believe. Yes. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. So 7 to the power 2. So this 49 is 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2. Clear? So after this step, so let us move further. When bases are same, powers can be added. So you remember that. So 2 to the power of 6 into so again we have 4 to the power of 3. So if you find LCM for 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So that becomes 2 to the power of 2 whole power 3 into 4 root 2 to the power of 8 into 7 to the power of 3. So divided by 7 to the power of 0 into 7 to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 2. Can we convert this into 4 to the power of 2 into simplified manner? Yes, right? That is 2 to the power of 4. Correct? So 4 to the power of 2, how much? 4 into 4. That is 16. So now if you find LCM for 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So that is equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 2 to the power of 4. For which value I am telling? 4 to the power of 2. For 4 to the power of 2, when we do the LCM, so that will become what? 2 to the power of 4. Correct? So 2 to the power of 4 I have converted into 2 to the power of 4 is already there. One more into 7 to the power whole power 7 to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So clear till now? Yeah, fine. So next what we can do is cancel the common here. So before that we will do the simplification again. 2 to the power 6 into 2 3s are 6, 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 8 divided by 4, because we are removing the root. 2 to the power 8 by 4 into 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3. Okay. Divided by 7 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to get cancelled, 7 to the power 1. Okay. So next step. So I am copying the same to the next sheet. 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6, so that you don't get confusion while solving. I am copying the same. 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 8 divided by 4, 8 by 4 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 1. So I think that's all. So now let us continue. So now by applying the law that when bases are same, powers can be added. So with that law I am doing 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 6 plus here 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay, 4 ones are 4 2s are. So that becomes 2 to the power 2. That's all 2, right? Then into 7 to the power 3. Clear? Next, divided by, so 7 is common. So let us look into it. 7 is common sense. Let us take 7 to the power 0. That is 7 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. So why I have taken 7 to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay. 1 into 7 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 4. Clear? Fine. So now if we make a simplification here, how much we are going to get? 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So 2 to the power 14 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 1 7s are 7. So 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 plus 4, 8. 2 to the power 8. Clear? So now by applying the law that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals a to the power m minus n. So what I am going to do here? So I am bringing the denominator to ups, or you can directly cancel it. 7 3s are 7 3s are. But since we need answer exactly, so 2 to the power 14 minus 8 into 7 to the power 3, right? So that we can cancel directly. So not an issue. 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3 get cancels. So what we can do is 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3 directly cancel it. So here 2 to the power 8 is there and 2 to the power 14 is there. So if you cancel that, so how much you are going to get? 2 to the power 6, right? 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 14. So if you cancel that, so you are going to get, that is 2 to the power 14 minus 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 is the answer. So 2 to the power 6, that is equals to what? That is equals to 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 64. So answer is 64 for this. Clear? Or any doubt? No any doubt, right? Fine. So we will move further. We are moving into the next problem, problem number 16, which has been asked in May 2009. University of Mysore question. 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 whole power 4 divided by 5 into 2 to the power 5 whole power minus 3 divided by 5 into 3 to the power 3 whole power 6 divided by 2. So this is the problem which we have to solve. Okay. So let us take that 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 whole power 4 divided by 5 into 2 to the power 5 minus 3 divided by 5 whole power into 3 to the power 3 whole power 6 divided by 2. Clear? So here 5 is a common factor. So cancel that 5. Clear? So cancel that 5. So if you cancel that, 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4 you are going to get into 2 to the power 5 minus 3. So by applying that, 5 minus 3 is a minus 15. Minus 15 divided by 5 into the same way. So we have 3 to the power 6, correct? 3 into 6. So 3 6 are 18. 3 to the power 18 divided by how much? 18 divided by 2. Understood, right, till here? Fine. So in the next step, what are we going to do? So we are going to take the common factors. Clear? Common factors. So how we are going to take common factors? So here 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So we got minus 3 power, and the same way here 9 2 nines are, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So now we have this. So 2 to the power of 4, this minus 3 is there, minus 3 into 3 to the power of 9 and 3 to the power of 4 is there. So 3 to the power of 9 minus 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so that is 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 5. Okay, 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 5. So here 2 to the power of 4 minus 3. So 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. So into 3 to the power of 5. So that 3 to the power of 5, how much you will get? Check out. 3 to the power of 5. 3 into 2, 3, 4, 5. 243. So 243. So 2 into 243. 486. 486. So that's all. 4 minus 3 is, this is not minus, okay. Yes, fine. So I believe you have understood this problem. So next I am moving to the next problem. So that is problem number 17. Problem number 17. So that which has been asked in the year December 2008 question paper, I believe. So the question is 7 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of minus 1 divided by 7 to the power of minus 4 into 5 to the power of 2 whole power is 7 divided by 2 into 7 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of minus 2 divided by 7 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of 2 whole power minus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so by applying the simple law, that is the law which applying here when bases are same, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, a to the power of m minus n. So by applying this law, what I am doing, that is equals 7 to the power 2 minus 4 will become plus 4, okay, into 5 to the power minus 1 plus minus 2. This is a plus 2, right? So that will become minus 2. Okay, whole power 7 divided by 2 into the same way 7 to the power 3 minus will become plus. So that is plus 5. Plus 5 into 5 to the power minus 2 minus 2 whole power minus 5 divided by 2. So let us simplify this. 7 to the power 2 plus 4, 6. 7 to the power 6 into 5 to the power minus 3 whole power 7 divided by 2 into 7 to the power 5 plus 3, 8 into 5 to the power minus 4 whole power minus 5 divided by 2. I believe till here it is clear. You don't have any confusion. Correct? Fine. So in the next step, what are we going to do? So individually we multiply 7 to the power 6 into 7 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. Okay, so that becomes 7 to the power 3 into 7. Okay, understood? Into 5 minus 3 into 7 divided by 2. Minus 3 into 7 divided by 2. I cannot do anything, so I am copying the same. Minus 3 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, into again 7 to the power 8 into minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. Into 5 to the power minus 4 into minus 5 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, so now let us take it. 7 to the power 3 into 7. 3 7s are, right? So that remains same. So 3 into 7, that we will do it in the next stitch. Into 5 to the power, how much? 3 into 7 divided by 2. That means 3 7s are 7 3s. How much? Minus 21 divided by 2 into here. So that is 4 into minus 5. That is minus 20. 7 to the power minus 20 into 5 to the power minus 2 into minus 5. So that is minus into minus plus 10. Minus into minus plus 10. Okay, so now when powers are same, what we can do is 7 3s are 21 minus 7 to the power minus 20 into 5 to the power minus 21 divided by 2 into 10. So that is 2 10s are 20. So I am adding one more step for you people so that you can understand. 5 to the power 21 divided by 2 plus 20 is there. So minus into plus we have to do. So 2 10s are 20 we will get. So 21 minus 20 into 5 to the power 20 minus 21 plus 20 minus 21 plus 20 divided by 2. So that becomes 7 to the power 1 into 5 to the power minus 1 divided by 2. So that answer we are going to express it as 7 to the power 1 is equal to 7 into 1 divided by 5 to the power half, or we can also express 7 into 1 divided by root 5. So anything else, any manner you can show the answer. So this is the answer for this particular problem. So we'll stop here, we'll continue in the next session. Till then, take care, see you soon, bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, take care of your family members. Bye.